In this video, I'll show you how to fix the ms-gamingoverlay error on Windows 11 using a simple registry tweak that usually solves the problem in just a couple of minutes. First, open the Start menu and search for Registry Editor, then launch it. Once the Registry Editor window opens, start navigating through the folders on the left side exactly like I'm showing on screen. First expand hey_current_user, then open the software folder. After that, scroll down until you find Microsoft and expand it as well. Next, open the Windows folder, then current version. Inside current version, look for a folder called gamingoverlay and select it. Once you click on that folder, look over to the right side of the window where you should see a registry entry called appcaptureEnabled. Double-click on appcaptureEnabled and change the value data from 1 to 0, then press OK to save the changes. If you don't see appcaptureEnabled there at all, don't worry because you can create it manually. Right-click inside the empty white space on the right side, choose New, then select word 32-bit value. Name the new entry appcaptureEnabled exactly like that with no extra spaces or changes. After creating it, double-click the entry and make sure the value data is set to 0. Once everything is saved, close Registry Editor completely. In most situations, this immediately fixes the ms-gamingoverlay error and stops the annoying pop-up from appearing anymore on Windows 11. Basically, what this tweak does is disable the game DVR capture feature running in the background because that feature is usually what causes the overlay issue in the first place. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.